caught a very big one. Very big tilapia.
Wow!
There are a lot of them over there, so we hope to catch more like this.
Napodag ano, palayan. Wag si Daniel up. Boy! With the cabra. Uphill. So we will bring you guys to our place, the secluded area where we're gonna catch some fish in the river. Tas ito yung dadaanan from our house to here. Secret river. See, look at him with his what's the English of that one? I don't know, basta that's the cabra. You know, because he's into fishing. So how many times did you fish already? So I mean, almost there. Hapit na ta sa basak. I will show you the basak. The huge basak. Huge river ko, no? You know, you can see na some part of Persian. So, wait lang guys. See you in a few minutes, ka-vibes. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Vibes, we're here na. Oh, ayan, no. Ng basak. Area ni sa family sa kong papa. Aning place. Secluded area lang. Ha? Yeah. No, ikaw lang. Ay, we'll try. Oh. Dako ni siya kaayo. Naghang tilapia ani. Nga si Daniel, ganahan siya magbalik-balik kay mamingwit, ganahan siya mag-fishing. Nako, ni kain na area. Dito pa amo ang area. Mga kalubian. What you gonna put there? He will find some bait for the tilapia. You know. Dako na siya kaayo. Basak. Before, katong sige ulan, tag-abot ang tubig dira, oh. Karon ni baba na kay undang nag-ulan, iinit na. Sa una dito among balay nila papa sa iyang mother dira. Peaceful. Ka-vibes, this is it. What are you doing, Dani?
What do you think I'm doing?
So you know. He will getting some bait worms for his tilapia. But you need to touch it because it will run. There, oh. You know. What is that? You know. Worms.
Put some sand so it doesn't run away. No, destroy the sun. Don't put it like that. It will go out. Sprinkle the sun. Remove.
Ano ang worms. So wala ni arti-arti oy. Dili man ni hugaw char. Ano? Okay, the problem is
Just get this.
he won't touch the
Small
worm.
ones.
Why there is dried fish? Tabi po. Manabit ta kay Akisha ba ani oh. Yan, digging some hole.
Should we try the one worm first?
Worm as his bait.
Should we try the one worm first?
Okay. So here our worms as bait. Muna yung pangpaon sa yung taga. Si Joaquin. With all the dogs in the world. Si Miggy. Di ba? Preparing his taga. I see your face. Should talk also.
Yeah, put in the worm. This is so long, diba?
So slimy boy.
Just put it on the head first, from the head.
This is how it is. I'm gonna put the bait. The worms is so slimy.
Oh, you're not scared?
Of course I'm scared, but who will be the one to put your bait?
I don't think I want to touch that. It's so moving.
It's so slimy, you know that?
Yeah.
I think this one is fine.
No. Put it. Oh.
You know how hard it is, Danny?
Just push the back first. You need to push the back. Push the back like that. No, that one is so good. The fish will eat it. Remove it and put it through inside. The place that came. Put it where the fish will eat it. No, not like that. It should come through the mouth. Push it to all the way.
Daniel with his taga. Hopefully you can catch some tilapia. Because you're bringing what? Dried fish. With Miggy. My transfer, he's finding a good place where he can catch some tilapia. Init kaayo oy. Kaya ano pa man, 3 PM. Maybe the fish are sleeping pa oy. Yeah. With Coco. Si Coco yan. Yan, si Miggy. With all the dogs in the world. He is still trying.
Hopefully we can catch some fish.
Area ng sa mga area ng family ng papa. Ito yung ilang land. Before they have my grandma's place there, their house. Nangitag lubi pare pa ka sa mga ero. With all the dogs again in the world. Si Joaquin.
sing the good song, the fish will come and eat them.
Iya, iya, you.
Where are you, oh fishy fish? Iya, iya, oh.
I think he's bored na ba?
Who?
Ikaw.
Me.
Aha.
I'm not bored. I have bait now.
Foreigner catching fish in the river.
Where do you want to catch fish? In the sand?
Yeah.
Where do you expect to catch fish?
Tilapia. Gustong-gusto niya yan. So, wish granted.
What wish?
Goal unlocked. Charot.
Go.
What is that?
My goal is because
To have fish.
$1 billion job.
Hahaha. Just different story.
That's my goal. This is not my goal. This is the goal of fish. For somebody to catch them.
Yeah, your goal for today's video is to catch some tilapia.
2,000 years later.
Wow!
Big fish.
See something? See
Oh,
the
fish
orange,
the fish is pregnant.
the orange tilapia.
The orange pregnant tilapia.
Wow! Sana
The fish is
all.
pregnant, look.
Yeah,
There's something in the tummy.
I think it's eating. Maybe that's the food.
No, something's in the tummy. Maybe goat. You look like a goat fish.
Tilapia. Where's your Wait.
Where is it? Another big fish.
Oh, there's more. Oh, gray one na naman. Wow. Wow.
Let's make this one. Because swallow all everything.
Ooh.
Ooh. It gets all the bait. Give me back my bait. Can you put more bait, please?
There's more. Nah. In just a few minutes interval.
Because 10 fishes.
Oh, there is more.
This one is big.
Should say something for you.
Oh, come my beans. We caught another big fish. So today we're having tilapia for dinner. Woo!
Oh, they're jumping.
Another fish, not big though, but it's still a fish. Small tiny fish. More fish for us.
So we have free
I think
fish for dinner.
We're having fun here now.
Yeah, because you're able to catch tilapia. So we have dinner now. The sun is about to set. So it's perfect for
Perfect for the fish, keep eating.
because fishes are hungry na. This is where we catch the tilapia in this area. A lot of them. See, yung mga gumagalaw-galaw, yan, sila yun.
Yeah, a lot of them. They keep,
Actually, you can see them from afar.
they keep eating
From here.
grass.
Ayan o. Makitaan lang sila.
This way.
Mahagbo akong cellphone. There's more, there's more, there's more, there's more.
A very big one. Very big tilapia. So
Wow.
huge. There are a lot of them over there. So we hope to catch more like this.
Oh, a lot.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail so